Hello friends, welcome to Madhu's Cooking Studio and Vlogs. Today we are going to make chicken 65 in air fryer. Now the ingredients for chicken 65: turmeric powder 1/4 spoon, food color 2 pinches, chili powder 1.5 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1/2 tablespoon, rice powder 1.5 tablespoon, corn flour powder 1.5 tablespoon, and salt to taste. Then lastly comes egg, 1 egg, and oil can be mixed up with the chicken paste. Now we are taking 1 kg of cut chicken and we are going to add masalas to it. Now I am going to mix all the ingredients and refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes. Now switch on the power button. Select chicken wings option. Then preheat for 10 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius and give a start. Now the preheating is done. So we are going to add the chicken pieces to the fryer. Just placing the chicken pieces in the fryer. Place the chicken pieces separately and do not overload the pieces. Now go to chicken wing option and set for 180 degrees Celsius and cook it for 20 minutes. Now after 10 minutes you have to turn the chicken pieces and set again. Now I am just turning the pieces and then going to set. Now the pieces are turned and keep it again and close it and keep it for 10 minutes. Now it's over. After 20 minutes I am taking the tray out. Now the chicken is done. Now chicken 65 is ready. It's crispy and yummy to taste. Just adding curry leaves and chili. Now look, the chicken is well cooked and it is very crispy too. Now yummy and crispy chicken 65 is ready. Try it out at home, friends. And if you like this video, do like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.